Good morning students. Hope you all are doing well and staying healthy at home. Today we are going to deal with the grammar topic of nouns, that is your fourth chapter titled Nouns Number. Okay, let's start the exercises. Exercise A, let's read the question. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. Okay, question number 1. Mosquito. Answer is mosquitoes. MOSQUITOES. Second one, knife. Answer is knives. KNIVES. Third one, house. Answer houses. HOUSES. Fourth, thief. Answer thieves. THIEVES. Fifth, key. Answer keys. 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 Sixth one, pony. Answer ponies. 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 Seventh, radio. Answer radios. 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 Eighth one, foot. Answer feet. FEET. Ninth one, bush. Answer bushes. BUSHES. Tenth one, leave. Answer leaves. LEAVES. 11th, monkey. Answer monkeys. MONKEYS. 12th, company. Answer companies. COMPANIES. 13th, pitch. Answer pitches. PITCHES. 14th, daisy. Answer daisies. DAISIES. Okay, now let's come to the second question. Form singular of the words given below. Okay, singulars we have to form. Question number 1. Else. Answer elf. ELF. Second, loaves. Answer loaf. LOAF. Third, cacti. Answer cactus. CACTUS. Fourth, foci. Answer focus. FOCUS. Fifth one, nuclei. Answer nucleus. NUCLEUS. Sixth one, fungi. Answer fungus. FUNGUS. Seventh again, nuclei. Answer nucleus. 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 Eighth one, syllabi. Answer syllabus. SYLLABUS. Ninth, thesis. Answer thesis. THESIS. Tenth one, crisis. Tenth answer crisis. CRISIS. 11th, criteria. Answer criterion. CRITERION. 12th, data. Answer datum. DATUM. 13th, halves. Answer half. HALF. 14th, geese. Answer goose. GWOSE. Come to the next exercise. Change the highlighted nouns into their plural forms. Okay, first one. The girl had a basketball in her bag. Answer will be the girls had basketballs in their bags. Okay. Second, my brother prefers to wear an English tie. Answer, my brothers prefer to wear English ties. Third, that dog never seems to tire of jumping in and out of the kennel. Answer, those dogs never seem to tire of jumping in and out of the kennels. Fourth, Ram stole my concept and didn't give me any credit. Answer: Ram stole my concepts and didn't give me any credit. Fifth one, your father is going to be upset about that broken plate. Answer: our fathers are going to be upset about the broken plates. Sixth one, it's not difficult to grow a plant as long as you give it with plenty of water. Answer is: it's not too difficult, TOO, okay, too difficult to grow plants as long as you provide them with plenty of water. Question number 7. I can't believe you allow your child to stick his head out of the car window. The answer is: I can't believe you allow your children to stick their heads out of the car windows. Okay. So in this video we'll be going to do up till here only. In the next video we'll be starting from the remaining exercises of this chapter, that is from exercise number D. Okay, up till then, take care and goodbye.